Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to make a drop-down menu in Shopify. First, go to the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. Just click it. A new page opens with a submenu. Click on Navigation. This opens the navigation page. Creating a drop-down menu is easy. Go to the main menu or where you want the drop-down. I'll click the main menu to open it. The main menu page opens. Creating a drop-down here is simple. For the sub-menu, scroll down and click Add Menu Item. Just click it. I'll name it Categories. I'll type Categories. But below in the field for the link, I'll use a hashtag. I don't want it to lead anywhere. It'll be my bridge to create the sub-menu or drop-down. So I'll click here. Then I'll go to the right side and click the Add button. Now this item has been added to my menu. On the left, you can move this item as you like. I'll move it between catalog and contact, then add another item. But now I'll put my store's collections in the search bar. Here in collections, I'll add the t-shirt, for example. It'll pull my collection's name as the item name. I'll click Add. Now I'll move this item, placing it inside categories. So I'll drop it and now my t-shirt collection will be in the categories option. If I click Add New Item, I can add directly to categories without dragging. I can click and add as many items as I want. I'll also add the hoodie option and the accessories option. I'll select accessories here and add it. And with that, I've now created a drop-down menu. You can create one too and even make sub-menus if you want. Here in t-shirts, if I had another link, I'll click and add, for example, comfortable shirts. I'll put the link here just as an example and click Add. I can put this item inside t-shirts. So I put it in t-shirts on the right side and it'll go into the t-shirts category. And that's how we create a submenu. So I'll click on categories, then t-shirts, and the comfortable t-shirts option will appear. Here you can set up more submenus as you see fit. I'll leave it like this as an example. After these changes, we'll go to the right and click Save Menu. Just click, and now when we access our store, we'll see that in the menu, our drop-down menu has been created. We can click here and it will show the options we created. Here I've created the t-shirt option and clicking it reveals a new option. With this, we've successfully created a drop-down menu in our store. I hope this helped. Bye.